Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at a 5x8 single axle open trailer. This particular trailer has a 2990 GVW, which is the weight rating that you can tow it, and it's placed on a 3,500 pound axle, so it is a heavy duty single axle trailer. The pressure washer that we have on here is a 3,000 PSI at 5.5 gallon a minute. It's got the Honda GX 390 engine with the Comet RW series pump. And it is a belt-driven pump. The two hose reels we have here are the Cox reels. These are 12-inch reels. The top one is holding 100 foot of the high-pressure hose, and the bottom one's holding 100 feet of the 3/4 inch hose. We have our nozzle stationed right here on the high-pressure one, so it's easily accessible. The two tanks that we have a 100-gallon water tank, and we've got our 50-gallon bleach tank in conjunction with the soft wash system. And the smaller tank next to it here is our 7-gallon surfactant tank. Down below this rail, we've got a 1-inch tank drain for your water tank. We started using these on more flexible hoses. Just makes it a little bit more versatile. You can move it around, or you can add extensions, so you can drain it a little bit easier if you need to displace the water in a specific area. And then we've got a little clip behind here to hold that in place. We have our 7 gallon per minute, 100 PSI soft wash system. And this is our soft wash box assembly, if you've seen it on our website before. We pretty much use that, and we have it facing towards the rear so we can open that panel nice and easy. And then we just turned the hose reel so it's coming curbside instead of being drawn off the rear. The hose reel we use for this one is a 12-inch Titan hose reel. It's got a stainless steel manifold, and it's holding 200 feet of the 1/2-inch hose. And then we've got a little clip down here to keep your gun and wand assembly in place. This does come with a PVC wand assembly and a J-rod, so you can change the fan size on your nozzles. We have the pump, the accumulator, the battery, the charger, all are placed inside this box here, but you technically don't really need to open this up whenever you're operating the system. All of the components are accessible from the outside. On the front part, we have the charger port, we've got the on-off switch, we've got the charge meter. That charge meter will tell you where your battery power is at. So there's really no need to have this box open if you don't need to. And then we have our metering system on the back. So the proportioner will meter your water, your surfactant, and your bleach. Using that, I mean, we do all kinds of training whenever you get these systems, so we'll show you how to use this. But the bleach valve is hooked up to a dipstick assembly. So that dipstick, you drop it down into your bleach. You can draw bleach whenever you need to rinse. You drop that dipstick down into your water, and then you can also use it as a transfer pump. So you can take that dipstick, drop it down into your concentrate that's, in a 55-gallon drum or a 5-gallon bucket, however you have it, and then use your wand to spray it into your chemical tanks. It just makes it a lot easier to transfer things instead of lifting and pouring, or having a separate transfer pump for that particular application. Here's the other side of our water tank. We've got our cool bypass line that's connected to the pressure washer. That protects your pump, so whenever you are in bypass mode, which means your pressure washer's running, you let off your trigger, it starts recycling the water back at the pump. So when you have it hooked up to your tank, it recycles all the water from your tank through your pump, keeps it nice and cool, keeps it protected. And then we have our inlet line that's coming from your hose reel, your inlet hose reel, and then goes through the filter into your tank. We use a pre-filter before the tank just to keep a lot of debris from the customer's house or wherever you're at. If there's anything in their spigot, just keeps that debris from getting into your tank. And then we have the other side of the pressure washer. So you can see it's aluminum framed, more corrosion resistant. It's also got a filter from the tank into the pressure washer, and then we have a filter that goes from the tank into the soft wash system. Lots of filters keep everything protected, so we like to do as much as we can to keep your equipment as maintenance free as possible. Just have to make sure you are cleaning out those filters every now and again. But otherwise, like I said, this is a 5x8 trailer. It's nice and compact. It's ideal if you're upgrading from portable equipment up to something that's stationary on a trailer. If you are starting a business and you want something a little bit more compact or a little lower budget, or if you have property maintenance that you need to take care of a bunch of properties and you just need a smaller rig to keep it stored in a more confined space. So lots of different applications for it. But if you need more information, this is available on our website. You can take a look. It's 3rpressurewashers.com. This particular trailer is already sold, but we'll have either another one built, or we can have one built within a couple weeks if it's not on our showroom floor. If you're on YouTube, you can go down into the description and take a look at the link below, and it'll give you more information there as well. Thank you.